Well, if I'm to remind you of what previously went through about our developmental story called Mega FM is Bleeding, yes, on the 16th of April 2024, we published an article of police summoning Atek hiring, who was a manager of Mega FM, and also on the 6th of May, we published an article of Udongator criticizing Atek Jovial, and also on the 10th of April, Boss Team also issued a statement. We also published that one. Then on the 11th of April 2024, we published an article saying former staff blows whistle of 200 million shillings swallowing of staff's soccer fund. And then also on April the 15th 2024, we published a story saying 2005 proof of Mega FM ownership, the biggest question in Acoli. Currently, that was when the question of ownership came in. And then also on the 17th of April, the issue of Mega FM is Bleeding was discussed in the program called Tayat on Mega FM itself. And then the last one was on the 13th of May 2024, where Olanya, Gilbert, and Odongator had a planned demonstration to tackle the issue of Mega FM is Bleeding. But now, an anonymous source, serious meeting was held so the Mega FM is Bleeding story, which we have been running, has reached a decisive point, a very decisive point, but not according to an anonymous source. A meeting was held on the 16th of this month, that is October, in Gulu City, with highly powerful figures from across Uganda and also some stakeholders to address the issue of mismanagement of Mega FM. You all know, as I said earlier, that Atek hiring Jovial, who's the manager, was accused of gross corruption and a lot of serious mismanagement, including using Mega FM latrine for poultry keeping, Mega FM infrastructure, so things like chairs for personal business. And also information came in that she had registered Mega FM as a community-based organization. In other words, personalized Mega FM. But then this decision-making process involving multiple key stakeholders such as the Ministry of ICT and National High Guidance, Operations Wealth Creation Team, UCC, UBC, Managing Director, and other staff members at Boma Hotel regarding the management of Mega FM radio is indicative of a concerted effort to address any issues pertaining to its operations. The resolution to place Mega FM under the Ministry of Information and National Guidance showcases a strategic move towards streamlining its management and ensuring its effective functioning. So Mega FM has been put under the Ministry of Information and National Guidance with the intention to ensure effectiveness in its functioning. So Atek Hiring remained the station manager for 2 years. Atek Hiring will be the station manager for 2 years. The 2-year timeline set by the committee demonstrates a commitment to finding sustainable solutions for Mega FM's long-term success. The involvement of high-ranking officials, as I said earlier, such as the 4th Division Commander was involved, the RCC, the RDCs, and technical staff underscores the importance and seriousness attached to the decision-making process. Overall, this development marks a significant step toward enhancing the performance and management of Mega FM, with a view to ensuring its continued contribution to the media landscape and the community in Acoli sub-region. So, for those who have been keenly following the viral developing story on Acoli ITV known as Mega FM is bleeding, for now it has come to a suspension unless we get any further reaction or any other thing. For now, Atek and Jovia is a Mega FM manager for 2 years, so we still don't know what will happen after 2 years, whether it will be renewed or not. So this is the point, and this is what you must know. Thank you so much, as I wish you a nice time and you keep watching our channel. Thank you.